guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2012 Adam. This is a 6.5 foot, actually I think it's 6 foot. It's a 22-foot box. So it's a 6 foot short wall, 3-horse. Overall, that's a 30-foot nose to tail, so it's an excellent size trailer. It's not too big, but yet has everything you need. So it is I would call that a 7306 in my terms, but they don't have model numbers like that. So this is a 7 wide, 7'6" tall, all aluminum, 6 foot short wall, full living quarters. Again, it's a 2012. It's lightly used. It's got a stainless nose. It's got 2 propane tanks, lockable battery box, hydraulic jack, spare tire, has full running boards on both sides of the trailer. It has a escape door. It has a nice big drop down windows with bars. It does not have any scratches or any scrapes or any dents on this side of the trailer whatsoever. It has the ribbed aluminum, which is called extrusion. Underneath those back windows, it's got a grab bar on all 3 of your windows. Just step up and open those windows if you're vertically challenged like myself. So it's a nice option that it has. White in color with graphics. This does have a rear ramp. Rear tack has bridle hooks, brush box, 3-tier saddle rack, and a blanket bar that's there to the left. Load light on the rear. Again, it's got a spring-loaded ramp. Horse box is fully lined and insulated. Does have roof vents. Does have rear fans, sliders on the rear. Horse box is immaculate. It's like immaculate shape. Has not been hauled much with horses. It's in, like I said, padding is all in great shape. Has a lower divider. 2 tie rings per horse per stall. Padding on both sides of the both sides of the dividers. Padding on the inside wall here, walk-through door. All the rubber on the trailer is in good shape, except for I'll show you one place there at the very back. It's got a couple little, like a little dent here. And the last stall has a little bit of rubber just kind of squished up there, but it's not torn. Actually, it is torn a little. That's atypical, so I wanted to point that out. Horse box, all in all, is in excellent shape. Big stalls. This trailer is very big and open, being 7'6" tall, 7 wide. You have a lot more room for your horse. A big horse in a 7 wide trailer. You don't have the wheel wells to the back. So this is an excellent size trailer, not too big. You don't find these size trailers very often, or they don't stay here very long. Manual awning. Full running board on this side as well. No dings or scratches on this side. It is a Gunslinger interior. That is the interior that they put in at Adam Trailers. Inside outside speakers, 110 outlet here. Stepping in the LQ. It does have a couch that makes a bed. That couch does make a bed. It's got a radio, cabinets above, air conditioning, propane furnace, step up into the bed. No mattress in this particular trailer. It does have a table that you can put in the floor there. So it's got a table with a bar, hanging closet here, closets there in the nose up front, TV, cabinet here, microwave, sink, 2-burner gas top stove, small fridge. Does have a cabinet here for storage, spinning around, pocket bathroom door, Bathroom does have extra closet space. 110 outlet in here. Closet space here. Corner shower, and guys, these corner showers are have a lot of size to them. So corner shower, walk-through door. There's a little wear on the wood here. It's not causing any issues, just a little bit of wear. Toilet. Cabinet behind. Again, pocket bathroom door. So this is a compact LQ. Pretty, like I said, 6-foot short wall. I need to measure it, so I will have the actual measurements in the ad. I don't have a measuring tape out with me, and I was already in the video. So it's somewhere between a 6 and a 7-foot short wall. So that's going to make it a 22-foot box. Good sized trailer. It does have the flip-up counter here, which is nice. It does have freshwater tank, black and gray tank as well, camper door. So great little trailer. You'll notice in some of these trailers, they do a paper wrap. There is no issue with leaking or anything like that. This wrap that they put on these walls with heat, you'll kind of see it right there. There's absolutely nothing wrong. It's just that the heat causes that paper wrapped material to let loose. So just wanted to point that out. There's no issues with any leaking whatsoever in this trailer, but the wrap kind of gives way sometimes. You can see it kind of up in the corner up there. It's just the material that they use, and it causes that with heat. No issues in this trailer. It's in great condition. 2012. Oh, has a fantastic fan. I just saw that. 2012 Adam Gunslinger interior, 3-horse, 6-foot short wall. Super nice trailer, great size. You don't want a real big trailer. You want one that's in excellent shape, and Adam makes a great trailer. Here would be a great trailer for you. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Again, price, all measurements to be accurate. Weight will be a guesstimation. That will all be in the ad on the website, carolinatrailersales.com, including the price. You guys have a great day.